Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a story which was which was I have read from the story applications. Uh, Many one know that a butterfly how they are beautiful. This story belonged to a butterfly. There was a cockins. He tried which was which was on a pairing verb which was on a pairing verb. He tried to break he tried to break the he tried to break the he was trying to break out from the cocoons. So a man saw that he was very loved the with butterfly. He started watching how coquin tried to come out from the outsides from the coquins. The coquins try lot of the coquins was trying lot of come out from theirs. He struggled lot of he was watching around 10 hours, but the coquin could not come out from the but butterfly could not come out from the cocoons. Then he thought, if I will if I will help him to come out from the cocoons, then it will very helpful for him. He went and bring two pairs of scissors. He helped him to come out from the cocoons. He cut it and pull it from the cocoon. Then he will become very happy that a small swollen swollen a small swollen butterfly have come out from the cocoon. He has without wings. He could not fly on that times. Then he start watching when his his wings will become when wings will grow and when he will fly in the sky, but his without wings could not grow and he could not flying. He always dwelt on the on the surface because when he was trying to come out from the coffins, he didn't complete his birth because that man helped him to come from the come out from the cocaine. When cocaine tried to come out from the cocoon, when butterfly tried to come out from the cocoon, then the fluid stored in his body and then his can wings can start growing properly, but he didn't. But that butterfly didn't struggle to come out from the cocoon. That's why he could never fly, and his wings are never grown. The moral of a story: if if you struggle in your life, then you will fly. Without any struggle, you cannot fly in the sky. Thank you for listening my story.